This is the Continuum Micro Desktop from Empowered PC, a powerhouse engineered for performance-hungry professionals and enthusiasts. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. Built with high-end specs, it delivers exceptional speed and responsiveness across demanding tasks like 3D rendering, video editing, streaming, and multitasking with heavy software. At its core, this machine is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor. With 8 cores, 16 threads, and a boost clock speed of up to 5.2 GHz, it handles intensive workloads effortlessly. The 4nm architecture ensures top-tier efficiency and performance, making it ideal for professionals who require consistent output under pressure. Pairing this with the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card, equipped with 16 GB of GDDR5 dedicated memory, ensures smooth, high-fidelity visual rendering for complex applications or immersive media experiences. To support such powerful processing, the Continuum Micro is equipped with 64 GB of DDR5 RAM operating at 5600 MHz. Whether you're juggling dozens of browser tabs, editing 4K content, or running large simulations, this system keeps up without hesitation. Storage is no less impressive. A massive 2TB PCIe Gen4 NVMe SSD provides lightning-fast boot times and data transfer speeds, significantly reducing waiting times and increasing overall productivity. Running on Windows 11 Pro, you get enhanced productivity features and improved security tailored for professional environments. The system comes housed in a visually striking Continuum Micro case featuring an infinity mirror front panel and tempered glass side door. The aesthetic is completed with a free rainbow backlit keyboard and LED USB mouse, ready out of the box. Connectivity is well covered with HDMI and DisplayPort options, and the inclusion of Wi-Fi ensures seamless internet access. Each unit is assembled in the USA, rigorously tested before shipment, and backed by lifetime technical support and a 3-year limited hardware warranty, giving you complete peace of mind. This desktop isn't just built for power, it's built for reliability and long-term use. Whether you're creating content, streaming media, or running intensive workloads, the Continuum Micro is more than ready. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available.